Meaning of enjoin.
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 Enjoin. The word enjoin means to order or command someone to do something, often by a legal authority or through a court injunction. This is a formal and authoritative instruction that carries the force of law, and failure to comply can result in legal penalties such as fines or imprisonment. Enjoining someone can be used in a variety of contexts, including business disputes, employment contracts, and restraining orders. Ultimately, the goal of enjoining someone is to ensure compliance with rules or regulations, and to prevent harm or wrongdoing.